channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. This is a 22-inch Dell desktop monitor. Here the complaint is with the backlight. Here you can see the picture using a torch on the screen. Placing a torch on the screen, you can see the picture. The problem is with the backlight. So this is the power supply board, and here you can see the inverter IC. The IC model number is OZ9938-GN. OZ9938-GN. This is the inverter IC model number. So to solve the backlight issue, it's an LCD monitor. So to solve the backlight issue, we need to remove the backlight protection from the IC. For that, we need to ground the third pin of the IC using a 10K resistance. Using a 10K resistor, we need to ground the third pin of the IC to remove the backlight protection. So here we grounded the third pin of the IC using a 10K resistance. See, here we grounded the third point of the inverter IC using a 10K resistance. Here you can see this third point of the IC goes to this SMD capacitor, and we grounded it using a 10K resistance. See, now let's fit the panel frame back to the monitor. See, now everything is done. Now let's turn on the TV monitor. You can see now the backlight is working fine. See, now we successfully repaired the TV. Sorry, the monitor. Now we successfully repaired the monitor. Thanks for watching. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. See you in another video with another interesting topic.